Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY video. Today's episode is entitled What's New Dollar Tree? So I'm going to take you along at my local Dollar Tree to show you the new items that I found. So when you first enter the store, you find some Easter items. I thought these towels were super cute, and of course they have a ton of eggs. I don't show you absolutely everything that was Easter just because I didn't want this video to be solely about Easter. With that being said, here are a few items I wanted to show you. That bunny sign is so cute, and I have seen it around for a couple of years at least, but it's very fun to use for making DIYs. And these two signs, though, I don't think I've ever seen them, the ones that are pink and blue. It says Easter. It's so super cute. The one that says bunnies and welcome. I don't believe I've ever seen that before, and I thought it was really adorable. These signs were around last year, but they are just so cute. I had to show them again, and especially love the one with the metal bunny. So useful for making DIYs of all kinds. These foam wreaths were definitely new to me. They have the blue bunny there and then that pink egg. Not sure if they have other colors at different locations, but that's the one my store had. I of course love this truck wall decor. It is so cute, and they have a blue one and a pink one. They both say Happy Easter. Honestly, you could just take off the eggs or the carrots depending upon which one you bought and just use it for the wreath form. And then I found these 3D bunnies. These are so cute. I apologize for the angle, but I'm just trying to pick these up off of the ground. I love these. These could be used like an Easter basket, or they're awesome for DIYs. And I actually did a DIY with one of these last year. So I will link that up above in the right-hand corner of the screen if you are interested. I also love the new crosses that Dollar Tree has now. These are so beautiful, and the one all the way to the right there that says seek courage and strength through him. I actually got one of those a little while ago. I didn't haul it, but oh my gosh, it is so cute and so nice for DIYs. I saw these pins that I've never seen before. They're like these monster novelty pins in like blue and red. They're super cute, and also those donut ones. Dollar Tree always surprises me with how much amazingly cute hair accessories they have, and I love this type of hair scrunchie, and those patterns were very new to me, so I thought I would show them. I had never seen this, I believe they just called it baby, but it has so many cute, adorable little bows and head wraps and super cute. So I thought I would show you all of those. And in those head wraps, you get two, a pink one and a white one. So yeah, super adorable. And these were very surprisingly soft. So it says a satin head wrap, which is really cool, especially for $1. And it actually, like I said, is really soft. Like, it didn't feel like that cheap, like fake silk or satin that Dollar Tree sometimes has. So that was a nice surprise. It didn't get it, but yeah, I thought it was pretty cool. And then I've never seen all of these hair accessories, so I wanted to show them to you. I thought this was so cool. It is a 3D sticker bag, and it's a mason jar, and you can actually open it up like a Ziploc bag, and that is so super cool. And obviously it's $1, so I thought, oh my gosh, I have to have that. I think that'd be so cool for like journaling and such. These really large stickers were really cool and fun, very pretty, and like the dinosaurs and this little smiley face. They actually have like little sparkles in them, and if you squish it, you can feel the sparkles. And I suppose you could like shake them too. So they're really cool and 3D. And that little kitty reminds me of like Lisa Frank from back in the day. It's really pretty. And then there's a little elephant. I thought I'd show these notepads just because I was right there and I thought they were cute. They say like backpack, lunchbox, homework, And I think they all kind of say the same thing, but yeah, super cute. Oh, and I didn't see this sticker, so I wanted to add that in there so that, yeah, you could see that guy as well. Super cute. I also saw these gems in the sticker section. Very pretty, very cool. And this glass writer pin. There's a silver one and a gold one for $1. That's pretty cool if it works. There's some new stickers I hadn't seen before. And also, I have never seen this for myself. I think I've seen somebody else find this at their Dollar Tree. But they're stamps. They are stamps for $1. Oh my goodness. Those kind of like Valentine's Day themed ones are so adorable. I'm kind of kicking myself for not actually buying those for only $1. But yeah, just something to look out for if you want some really cute stamps for only $1. I'm not sure if these are new. They're definitely new to me, so I thought I would show them to you. They are these laser cutouts. They have crosses. They have different sayings, and like those animals there are super cute. I'm not sure how many you get in there, but it's definitely more than one, and it's only $1. I thought these pencil holders were really cool, especially since how they're wood and you could obviously paint it or do all kinds of different things to it. I'm not sure how top heavy your pens would be in there. Probably obviously depends on the pens you get, but yeah, I thought that was really cool. Always love these little like drawers. I saw somebody do something very high end with them on YouTube, so definitely something to think about and cool to find at your Dollar Tree. I was so excited to see these metal baskets. These will go for way more than $1 if you buy them at other stores. So that was very cool to find at my local Dollar Tree. And yeah, I'm kind of sad I didn't get more, but they're really cool. And I'm wondering if they're going to have like different metals, like maybe silver. I don't know, but the gold is really pretty. So of course I was super excited to find that. Something really cool if you like to knit, or maybe there's other things you can do with yarn, but they had a whole bunch of yarn, quite a few different colors. The company is called Just Yarn. I have no idea if this is like good quality or not, but of course it's $1, and there's one up close. They also had these really pretty baskets. I'm having kind of a hard time pulling one out with one hand there, but then I found this one. These are so pretty and of course could be used in DIYs. You do want to be careful because I noticed some of them were like unwoven and a little scuffed up, so just keep that in mind before purchasing. I've never seen a wired jute cord at my Dollar Tree, so that's really fun. I've seen twine, but never that. And these 3D wreath forms, they had like a smaller one and a large one. I have never seen this at my local Dollar Tree, so I wanted to show it to you. I think that football wreath is left over from the fall. And my Dollar Tree did have some limes. I never see lemons, ever. They go so fast. But limes are pretty cool too for decorating. So we've reached the end of today's What's New Dollar Tree video. I hope you had fun shopping along with me and seeing what I found at my local Dollar Tree. If you did, please feel free to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. And if you'd like to see more videos like this, more What's New Dollar Tree videos and hauls and DIYs and all kinds of stuff, feel free to click on that notification bell to be notified the next time I upload a new video. With that being said, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. Bye bye.